When I come onto a farm and I'm coming up to a set of stockyards, the first thing I'm looking for is the safety of the yards. Are the yards built adequately for the job that we have to do? And if they're not, have that conversation with the farmer.
One of the biggest things we encounter, the gates aren't working properly. So whether that be your vet gate at the back, your top and your bottom one, where the pins don't actually align with the slots, that's a big risk, or even the gate's not functioning at all.
Nobody likes to work in yards that don't work correctly. So we make repairs to the yard because it makes it more enjoyable to work in.
A well-maintained stockyard, you can move around the yards freely, you can get in and out of the yards freely. It is very important to have maintained yards.
If you see something's broken, you just make a mental note and before you use the yards again, you'll fix it. It's the least I can do. Why have something that doesn't work?